In this video, we're making this chocolate salami, which is a classic for Christmas, and it requires just 4 ingredients to make. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started. First, to a microwave-safe bowl, add in the chocolate and the butter. And then you're going to microwave this in 20-second bursts and stir until fully melted. You can also use a double boiler to melt the chocolate and the butter if you don't have a microwave. Once it has entirely melted, add in the marigold and the sliced almonds. Mix those in until you have a uniform mixture. Then take a tray lined with plastic wrap and transfer your mixture onto it. And then using your hands, you're going to shape this into a log and secure the ends. And once you have your log entirely shaped up, you're going to refrigerate this for about 2 to 3 hours. And once it's fully set, you're just going to unwrap the plastic wrap. And then cut it into slices and enjoy. This tastes so good, and it's so easy to make as well. The cookies and the almonds really cut through the richness of the chocolate and add a nice crunch to it. You really need to try this out this Christmas and let me know how it turns out. I will see you with some more delicious recipes. Bye!